Welcome back to our channel, Sentient Motivation. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the only 3 AI tools you need for a faceless YouTube channel. These tools include ChatGPT-4 by OpenAI, Pictory AI for video creation, and Canva for designing your YouTube thumbnails. So, let's dive right in. First on our list is ChatGPT-4 or 3, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is a powerful tool for generating ideas, writing scripts, creating hashtags, and writing video descriptions. To generate video ideas with ChatGPT, all you need to do is ask. For instance, you can type, "Give me video ideas about AI tools," and you'll get a bunch of fascinating ideas instantly. For script writing, feed the AI with the topic of your video and it will write a compelling script for you. If you are struggling with creating relevant hashtags or writing a catchy video description, ChatGPT-4 comes to the rescue as well. Be sure to proofread and fine-tune prompts to get your desired outcome. If you don't quite like what is generated, simply ask GPT to regenerate. You could say something like, "Regenerate response but make it more comical." And voila, magic! It's a robust tool that can help optimize your content and ensure it's ready to engage viewers. You can experiment and iterate quickly, saving you a lot of time. The next tool on our list is Pictory AI. It's an AI-powered video creation platform. It allows you to convert the scripts generated by ChatGPT-4 into high-quality videos or B-roll footage. Simply upload your script to Pictory AI and let it do the magic. It can automatically select relevant visuals and B-roll to match your script. You can also hand-select visuals to your liking. Be sure to add an AI voiceover or record your own voice. Pictory AI supports multiple voices, so you can choose the one that best suits your content. You can also add background music from their extensive library and automatically generate captions for better accessibility. Pictory AI makes video creation quick, easy, and affordable. It's perfect for faceless channels and for creators who want to focus on the content, not the technical aspects. Your final video generated will contain an embedded watermark. To remove this, you must pay a subscription fee, but the price is so worth it if you are serious. Last but not least, we have Canva. This is a user-friendly design tool that helps you create high-quality thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Canva has numerous templates that are optimized for YouTube thumbnails. You can add text, use various fonts, and manipulate colors and images until you achieve the look you desire. It is as simple as dragging and dropping elements onto your design. You can get really creative with your designs, making them as unique as your content. With Canva, anyone can design like a pro. It's a fantastic tool that can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your videos and attract more clicks. Canva can also be used to create high-quality profile pictures, flyers, album cover art, and so much more. And there you have it. The only 3 AI tools you need to run a faceless YouTube channel: ChatGPT-4, Pictory AI, and Canva. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.